Now let's take a look at adding the invoices and creating the orders in a faster method other than using the new button. Now notice there's a button to the right that reads more actions, and when you click on it, one of the options here is pre-fill orders and services. Now what pre-fill orders allows you to do is it allows you to look up information that has been tied to the job or case previously and actually bring it in directly, so you don't actually have to search and select for the clients that you want to bill. So before we click on this, let's go up to here where the job number is, and let's click the View Job button. And we're going to go down to the Party section. And what I'm going to do is click on our contact that's been added as a party, David Stratford. And I want you to notice right here the Show and Turn In Pre-Fill option and how it's checked. Every party that you add that's tied to a job or even to a case, they will have this checkbox checked. So that way they will show up when you actually want to do the turn-in utilizing the pre-fill method. So now that we see that that's checked, let's get out of this job. And we're back at turn-in now. So let's click on More Actions and select Pre-fill Orders. So what RB will do is it will look at the job and at the case and see if there are any parties added. So in this case, no one tied to the case, but we have David Stratford tied to the job. And the reason why we're showing him in the pre-fill section is because of that checkbox option in his party set up in the job. So instead of searching and selecting him, he's listed here using pre-fill. And so I can simply check off the client that I want to create the invoice for. Click on Create Invoices. So RB will ask me, since I'm adding who's ordering, is this task complete? Did Susan do her duty? Yes, she did, because she sent me all the information and I'm now performing that turn-in RB. So I can set the turn-in completed date. Operation successful. So that will flag it as this time and date that she completed it, and it will no longer show up on her task in progress nor her overdue task report, and we take it off our list. So since we have the invoice created here, all I have to do now is click on the invoice number. Notice at the top we have an edit button, so we'll click edit, and then we'll check the original option right here and then click save. So we've noted this as an original invoice. So that takes care of step 2.